In this video, we're going through how to buy and sell shares using the NABTrade brokerage site. So once you have opened a brokerage account, you can find the shares of a company or ETF by searching for what's called the ticker code, which is normally a 3 to 4 letter code that represents a company or fund shares. For example, BHP conveniently has the ticker code BHP, and the Vanguard ETF that tracks the top 300 Australian companies has the ticker code VAS. You can typically Google search a company's share price and it will come up with their ticker code. Once you know the ticker code, you can enter it into the search bar of your brokerage account and press search. This will bring up the company's stock in the brokerage account. You can then either choose to buy or sell them by clicking on the buy and sell icons. You will be taken to what's called an order pad, where a buy or sell order is created by entering the quantity/number of shares you want. For example, if I want to buy 100 shares of BHP at $40 per share, I enter 100 in quantity units and 40 in the price. This is what's called a limit order, which sets the $40 as the price limit, so if the stock drops to this value, the order will be carried out. You can also set the order duration. Good till cancelled will keep the order open until you choose to cancel it. Good for day will cancel the order at the end of the current trading day. And good till date can be set by you depending on when you want to cancel that order. There is also what's called a market order type, which will buy the shares at whatever the current share price is. In this example, the BHP shares are at $42.43, so the 100 shares we want to buy will be at that price. You can also buy a set dollar value of shares. So for example, if I wanted to buy $1,000 worth of BHP shares at the market price of $42.43, it will buy 23 shares, which is just under the total $1,000, because one more share would go over that value. For selling shares, it's the same, where you can put in how many shares or the value you want to sell at either a limit or market order type. For both buying and selling, you will then click Review Order to make sure all the details you have entered are correct and confirm to place the order. Let me know in the comments if you like using NABTrade or prefer another stockbroker. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more stock market investing and Tesla videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.